Here's the truth. No one tells you about money. It's not about how smart you are. It's about how you behave. Let me explain. See, how you handle money mostly comes down to your background. Someone who grew up during inflation sees saving as safety. Someone who got rich off crypto sees risk as opportunity. Neither is wrong. We're just shaped by what we've lived through. Take Warren Buffett. People think he's a genius investor, but the real reason he's one of the richest people alive? He started investing at age 10 and never stopped. Time and patience made him rich, not magic stock picks. Ever notice how financial disasters get all the attention? Crashes, recessions, layoffs, they're dramatic. But slow, steady progress, boring. Still, that's where real wealth gets built. Quietly, over time. We love to praise success stories, but we forget how much luck plays a role. Bill Gates went to one of the only schools with a computer in the 70s. His friend Kent Evans could have been just as successful, but he died in a mountaineering accident. Same potential, different outcome. That's a risk. Most people chase being rich. Cars, houses, status. But wealth, that's what you don't see. It's your savings, your freedom, your ability to walk away. True wealth isn't about flexing. It's about options. Here's a crazy fact. Most investors fail on the majority of their bets, but a few big wins make up for it all. Same with art, startups, even careers. It's okay if most things don't work. You only need a few to explode. Investing isn't free. I'm not talking about fees. I'm talking about emotions. The price is fear, uncertainty, stress. If you want the reward, you've got to be willing to feel the ride. Here's the hardest part, knowing when you've got enough. Because if you always want more, you'll never feel satisfied, even with millions. Freedom starts when you draw that line. So yeah, money isn't a math test. It's a mirror, reflecting who you are. If you want to build wealth, start by understanding yourself. Like and subscribe for more impactful video like this.